Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for a wild ride into the world of quantum computing? Picture this. While NVIDIA, Oracle, and Palantir have dominated the AI space, a completely different kind of tech is emerging, and it's moving at warp speed. We're talking about quantum computing, the next frontier that has investors, analysts, and tech enthusiasts buzzing. But here's the real question. Is this a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in on the ground floor? Or is it just another hype-fueled bubble set to burst? In today's video, we're diving deep into a quantum stock that has surged an incredible 216% this year alone. But is it really the next big thing? Or are we all just chasing the latest shiny object? Stick around and let's break it all down. Welcome to Money Mind Finance. If you're new here, we break down the biggest stories in tech, finance, and innovation, and everything stock news analysis in a way that's fun, easy to follow, and worth your time. Before we dive in, please take a second to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also subscribe. Please help this video to get at least 500 likes. It really helps to support the channel and keeps us bringing you the latest market insight. Thank you. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. The AI revolution is no longer just a buzzword. It's here, and it's reshaping industries across the globe. From self-driving cars to AI-powered healthcare, it feels like everyone is scrambling to get a piece of the action. But here's the thing. While we've all been laser-focused on AI and the companies dominating that space, a new wave of momentum is quietly building in the background. And it's centered around something that sounds almost like science fiction: quantum computing. Now you might be thinking, what the heck is quantum computing and why should I care? Well, let's break it down. Quantum computing isn't just another upgrade to traditional computers. It's a whole new paradigm. Imagine a computer that can process information exponentially faster than anything we've got today. We're talking about solving problems that would take today's best supercomputers thousands of years to crack. For now, the biggest beneficiaries of the AI revolution have been the big names we know. NVIDIA with its GPS, Palantir with its data platforms, and Oracle with its cloud infrastructure. But guess what? These companies are starting to reach the ceiling of what they can do. As their valuations continue to soar, many investors are looking for the next big thing. And that next thing could be quantum computing. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While quantum computing is exciting, it's still early days. And yet, the potential it holds for industries like energy, finance, and logistics is enormous. Think about the possibilities for AI optimization problems or even drug discovery. The sky's the limit, right? But hold up. Before we start calling it the next big thing, we need to consider a key factor. Quantum computing is still in its infancy. While it has amazing potential, its practical applications for AI today are still pretty limited. It's mostly in the realm of research and development, not ready to be rolled out for widespread commercial use. That's where things get tricky for companies like D-Wave Quantum, with the ticker symbol QBTS. This stock has been on fire, surging to 116%. That's more than double its value in just a few months. To put it in perspective, the broader S&P 500 and NASDAQ composite haven't even come close to this kind of growth. So, is D-Wave the company that's going to lead the charge in quantum AI? Well, D-Wave has definitely been making waves in the market. But here's the catch. While the stock price is soaring, the actual business is still, let's just say, a work in progress. Last year, D-Wave generated just $22 million in revenue, with the majority of that coming from just one quarter. That's a major red flag. the demand for quantum AI services is still relatively thin, and their sales are erratic. In fact, this inconsistency raises questions about the sustainability of D-Wave's business model. Here's where things get even trickier. D-Wave's growth, while impressive on the surface, comes with a big asterisk. Sure, they've posted triple-digit revenue growth, but when your baseline is so small, a little growth can look massive. This growth doesn't really mean much when the company is still burning through cash at an alarming rate and has no clear path to profitability. In other words, the law of small numbers is playing a huge role in inflating these growth figures. And let's be honest, investors are looking at that skyrocketing stock price and thinking, wow, D-Wave is on fire. But are they? Or is this just a speculative bubble waiting to pop once the excitement dies down? Now let's talk about valuation. D-Wave is currently valued at around $9.2 billion. That's not small change. If D-Wave hits its projected 2027 sales of $71 million, that puts its price-to-sales ratio at around 130. That is insane for a company with no proven ability to generate consistent profits or cash flow. If D-Wave's growth slows down even a little, that sky-high valuation could be in serious trouble. So why are investors flocking to this stock? It's all about momentum and hype. Retail investors are chasing every bit of good news, from government grants to optimistic projections about the future of quantum AI. So should you be running to buy D-Wave stock? Probably not. While the company's future could hold some interesting opportunities, there are much better ways to gain exposure to the quantum computing revolution without the huge risk that comes with a speculative stock. Think about it. Big players like Alphabet, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are already working on their own quantum processors. These companies have the resources to make real, meaningful progress in the quantum space. And as the technology matures, they're well positioned to capitalize on it. And don't forget NVIDIA. They've extended their CUDA software architecture to run in hybrid classical quantum environments, solidifying their technological advantage. If you're not into picking individual stocks, you can also get exposure to quantum AI through blue-chip companies like Honeywell, JP Morgan Chase, and Amgen. Because they've all invested in Quantinuum, the bottom line is simple. Quantum computing is an exciting emerging technology, but it's still largely experimental. So while D-Wave might be attracting a lot of attention, it is not the only or even the best way to invest in the future of AI and quantum computing. There are far more stable, diversified, and credible opportunities out there for investors who want to be part of the quantum revolution without betting everything on a speculative stock. If you're enjoying these market insights and finding them helpful, please take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. I hope this video helped clear up some of the hype around D-Wave Quantum and the broader quantum computing market. While it's definitely exciting to see this new frontier unfold, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Remember, don't just chase the latest stock trend. Do your research and make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy investing, and remember, the future is quantum, but it's still a long way from being ready right now.